So we brought the CT-100 chassis back to the cabinet at the museum and set it up, did convergence, purity, all that, and it looks really good. But after about a half an hour, it started jittering, and the horizontal hole went out of range. So there wasn't much we could do with it in the field. The way this thing works, this is called the Syncro-guide circuit. And RCA did a really good job of engineering this. The oscillator is here, and the way this thing checks itself is the output is on D here. It feeds a drive waveform to a horizontal output tube, which feeds the high voltage transformer, but it checks itself with a bootstrap here. It comes back through this resistor, through this cap, back into the grid of the oscillator tube, and it's matched up with the synchronization pulse. And it keeps it locked, synchro lock. Well, after it ran for about a half an hour, when it started jittering, you're supposed to monitor this waveform right here. This is the synchro lock waveform, and it needs to be linear to the line here. These are just incorrectly adjusted ones. What was happening with this, it was jitter, jitter, jitter like this. Even when it was locked, it was trying to lock. The synchro lock was trying to do its job, but it couldn't. In the end, what the problem ended up being was when you come back down this way, I went to take this cap out to check it to see, if the value was correct, because we don't usually replace these. These are usually very good. I went to check it. The leg came right out of it. It was no good. So I replaced them all with temperature stable modern caps and resistors in here. And also now, to make sure that the job is done, you look at the Syncro-guide waveform and it's dead on. And it's not jittering, and it's linear. It's where it needs to be. And the real test is when you go off signal, this thing, no matter what, it stays locked up. And you set your horizontal holes so the plate voltage is 255 or so. That's what it wants. It's 255 volts through this voltage divider here. Okay, so at 255 or so, with the Syncro-guide locked, this works really good. You should not have a problem at all. So there you have it. Let it run a little longer. We'll take it back and we'll try it again. Stay tuned, I hope.